How to pick a subscription plan for Kling AI 2026 guide. Are you trying to figure out which Kling AI subscription plan is actually right for you without wasting money on credits you will never use? In this video, I am going to break down every Kling AI plan available in 2026, explain exactly what you get with each one, and help you pick the right tier for your specific needs. Kling AI is currently one of the most powerful AI video generation platforms available, and since OpenAI Sora shut down in March 2026, Kling has taken the top spot in video quality benchmarks for subscription-based creators. But its credit system can be confusing, so let me make it simple. First, here is the most important thing to understand. Kling runs entirely on credits, not unlimited generation. Every video you create costs credits based on the length, resolution, and whether you include native audio. With Kling 3, a single 5-second clip at 720p costs 30 credits. A 10-second clip at 1080p with native audio can cost around 120 credits. And in practice, you will usually need 3 to 5 attempts to get the result you want, so always multiply the per clip cost by at least 3 when you are planning your budget. Now let us go through the plans. The free plan costs nothing and gives you 66 credits every day. However, these credits expire after 24 hours and do not roll over. Videos are watermarked, capped at 5 seconds, limited to 720p, and cannot be used commercially. The free tier is great for testing prompts and seeing what Kling can do before you commit to a paid plan, but it is not enough for serious creative work. The standard plan is $6.99 per month for new subscribers, rising to around $8.80 at renewal. This is the entry point for commercial use and watermark-free output. It gives you 660 credits per month, which is roughly enough for casual creators making a handful of short clips per week. If you are just starting out and want to experiment with commercial content, this is where to begin. The Pro plan is $25.99 per month and is the sweet spot for most regular creators. It gives you significantly more credits, access to faster generation speeds, and full access to Kling 3's advanced features. If you are publishing content consistently, running a YouTube channel, or creating social media videos regularly, this is the plan most creators recommend. Annual billing on this plan saves you roughly 34% compared to paying monthly, which works out to about $150 saved per year. The Premier plan is $64.99 per month and is designed for high-volume creators, small studios, or freelancers producing video content professionally and at scale. It comes with priority queue access, which matters a lot since Kling's generation times can run long during peak hours. The Ultra plan sits at the top at around $128 per month and is built for studios with very high monthly output requirements. Note that Ultra has no annual billing option as of mid-2026, so you pay month to month. One important thing to be aware of is that Kling raised the Ultra price by 41% in early 2026, so if you are considering Ultra, compare it carefully against alternatives like Runway ML's unlimited plan before committing. On all paid plans, subscription credits expire at the end of each billing cycle and do not roll over. However, if you buy separate top-up credit packs, those stay valid for 2 years. Now here is your pro tip. The most common budgeting mistake people make with Kling AI is calculating cost based on a single generation per clip. In reality, good output typically requires 3 to 5 iterations to find the best version, so your real cost per usable clip is 3 to 5 times higher than the per generation number. Before you pick a plan, estimate how many final clips you need per month, multiply by 4 for realistic iterations, and then match that credit requirement to the right tier. So to recap: free for testing only, standard for casual commercial use, pro for regular content creators and the best value for most people, premier for high-volume professionals, ultra for studio-level output. If this video helped you pick the right plan, please hit the like button and subscribe for more guides like this one. And drop a comment below telling me which plan you went with and what you are creating. See you in the next one.